Good morning, YouTube. So today is it is a Tuesday, new month, new week. Technically, I just had my coffee. I usually don't need a lot of caffeine, to be quite honest. Like, I'm not like one of those people who need lots of coffee to like function and all of that. I just need literally 1 cup, and that's all I need. And sometimes I don't even have coffee. I don't even have coffee sometimes. I just literally just chill like this. And I'm also going to be journaling. Today I'm not going to be doing like general prompts for journaling. I'm just going to be just going like free writing, honestly, just writing anything that I think I'm feeling, any intention that I have for the day, for the month. I think it's very important to set the intention for the month and just start a fresh month and know exactly what your goals are, what you are trying to do for the month, because it's so easy to lose track, and that's where you feel like you're running out of time. The year is moving fast and you haven't achieved anything. And I also want to get rid of that fear of just not being good enough to actually make those dreams happen or those goals happen. Sometimes the fear and the resistance stops me from achieving those goals. So that's why I want to get rid of that anxiety and that fear and just move with the flow. I can do it and I am capable, and that's the mentality that I'm on literally this week and also this month as well, because I have a lot of financial goals, I have a lot of personal goals that I want to achieve. So that is why it's very important for me to stay positive and on track and focused. So I decided to vlog from the office today because there's not a lot going on. Like people are just settling in. It's still very early. There's something about a Tuesday where people are more calm than other days, like Fridays and all of that. Fridays, people are always, they get here, they make a lot of noise because they just want to leave and go to weekends. They have that spirit. But today everyone is calm, doing their work, settling in, and yeah. Decided to have a snack. I have strawberries with grapes. Come on. So fresh. So today, it's a Sunday. I'm about to post a review of the brand new fragrance from Avon. I'm actually trying to shoot a video right now. The sun is out, everything is nice, and yeah. So yesterday was Saturday, and we just went to church yesterday, nothing much. Just cooked up my favorite meals, and yeah, basically that's what we did. There's nothing much to update you guys on, to be quite honest. Nothing interesting happened today, so I'm just excited that I will be posting something that is a bit different than vlogging. I feel like people do get bored with like vlogs, you're just showing the same routine every single day. But then I'm so excited that there's a new video that I'm going to be posting that is slightly different. Like, I haven't done product reviews in a very long time, so I'm so excited to go back to that. Hopefully I can make that a thing. I don't want to like reveal too much about this because I'm not really consistent with studying this new course. But once I'm consistent, I will actually share. Like, I'm trying to learn a new skill that can actually potentially help me in the near future. So yeah, hopefully that will go well.
My best to be a good one. You know I'll be chasing diamonds, but I'm feeling this connection. Do you want me like I want you? Yeah. Do you need me like I need you? All my demons seem to haunt me.
What is up, YouTube? I'm just having my red wine. It's Women's Day, so I'm just chilling at home. Honestly, I just went to the salon to redo my lashes. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just did my lashes. The last lashes were a bit rough, honey. Literally, if I tell you that, I had to remove them. I had to go through a lot to get them removed, because the last lash tech that I used was not the normal lash tech that I usually go for, so she did a terrible job. Still good. What I've realized, the fact that I just love being in the moment and not vlogging every single moment. Like last night we saw our cousins. I will link the clip somewhere here, and literally like I forgot to vlog, and I told myself I'm going to vlog, but I didn't. But yes, I just thought I could say hi to everyone. I will be posting this vlog somewhere, I don't know, to be quite honest. I also wanted to ask one thing, like I know for your birthday and also like other holidays like Valentine's, we get gifts as women. I just wanted to know, like Women's Day, like do we get gifts? Are we getting flowers? Like what is the tea? Because on a serious note, my boyfriend did take us out last night and we just ate some nice food. I shared that on my Instagram, so I guess that was his gift. There's also load shedding, which is very annoying. Like I cannot get used to it. It is what it is. This is the country we live in, and we just have to tolerate this because I am not going anywhere. I love this country. Some outfit OOTD. I don't know if you guys can see. Sweatpants with my big sleepers and this. That's it. And my red wine. Just going to enjoy the rest of the night, the rest of the evening. And yeah, back to the regular programming tomorrow, which I don't really mind, to be quite honest. I'm not complaining anymore. Like I used to be super annoyed when I have to go back to work and whatever, but because we had a holiday this week, I just am excited to go back to work. Actually, sometimes I actually miss it because there's nothing to do at home. Right now I'm just staying positive and enjoying my life the best way I know how, making myself happy, not waiting for other people to make me happy. And that is the key. That is the key. Yes. Cheers to you, to me, and to all other women worldwide who are doing their best, who are living their best lives.
Seem to hold me, but they're gone when I'm with you. You know that we got it bad, we got it bad, we got it bad. You know that we got it bad, we got it bad, we got it bad.
I'm so sorry if you guys can actually hear noises in the background. The TV is on, so I'm doing a bit of journaling here today. I just thought I could share. Yes, I actually have new journal prompts that I've been using in the last few months. So I just wanted to share like this new, it's not actually an original idea. I just got this from, I'll try to link it here, from Pinterest. There was a journal that I saw. It is a journal that you can actually buy, but I decided to actually just use those topics that I can use for my own journaling as well. So the first topic, you actually open up your page, and then the first thing that you write today's date, and then you write your to-do list. You write I am grateful for, so you write what are you grateful for at the beginning of the day, just to set the tone, and then what would make today great, and then affirmations, and then at the end of the day, how I feel right now. So you just go back to how you feel after that day. What is it that made you at ease or peaceful, or maybe even if it's negative emotions, what made you feel that way? So you're kind of like reflecting, and then you say how you feel at the end based on what happened and based on how productive you are and all of that. So I really love this, and I feel like it's an easy way to journal, and I just thought I could actually just share that. And right now I'm just sitting, I'm about to have dinner, I'm actually cooking, and yeah, my partner is watching football. That is why it's so noisy, and I don't know if you guys can hear me literally, but yeah, end of the day, and I just took a shower. I feel so refreshed. I'll show you guys my dinner today. I just chilling. Honestly, I haven't really vlogged that much because I really love to actually live in the moment these days. I don't want anything disturbing me. I don't want anything messing up my psyche. I just want to just enjoy every single moment of this life. And at this point, I know how to be present. I don't need a meditation to be present. I still meditate. I will share that in my future vlogs. I will never stop my practice. The reason why I'm this person who is depression free, anxiety free, is because of my practice every single day. But I don't really need to lean on that too much. If ever it happens that I don't work out for the day or I don't meditate, I don't feel guilty or bad about it. I'm still me, you know. Let's continue journaling. Let's finish the journaling and then we can eat dinner.
But they're gone when I'm with you. You know that we got it bad, we got it bad, we got it bad. You know that we got it bad, we got it bad, we got it bad. You got me thinking about all the things I do with you. You got me thinking about all the things I do for you. You got me thinking